So we're going to draw an octagon, and what we need our compass, and we need our pencil, and we need a ruler. So that's all you really need. So set your compass to a reasonable radius for your circle, and sort of in a good spot, draw the center of a circle that you're going to draw, and draw the circle. So describe the circle nice and simply like this. Okay, so now I have a center and I now have a circle, and with that circle I just draw a diameter. Now diameters usually just go from circumference to circumference on the other side, passing through the middle, but I need this one for construction purposes to be quite long, way past the circumference, and I need to bisect this diameter here, so I need to draw a line going this way at 90 degrees. Now I can't be sure just by doing this that it's exactly 90 degrees, so I have to go through the bother, and you should take the time to bisect this line segment. So let's bisect the line segment. I go to the end of the line segment. Now make sure that my compass is set to over halfway. So draw my arc here, draw an arc here, and then on the other side, don't touch the compass setting. Go to the other side here. This is the other side, this is the other end of the line segment, and the line segment in this case is the diameter. Intersect and intersect. Okay, once I have those points, I now can draw a perpendicular bisector to the diameter I drew earlier. And again, draw it a little bit long so it goes well past the circumference of the circle. Okay, this now would give me a square if I was to join these points up. But I don't want a square, I want an octagon. And an octagon has 8 sides. So you think about it. If I have a circle, right, and I have a square inside the circle, if I was to cut that in half and make a point there, cut that in half and make a point there, cut that in half and make a point there and a point there, I could make an octagon out of that. Okay, so I could do that. And I'm going to do something a little bit similar to get the points along the circumference here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bisect this 90-degree angle, bisect this 90-degree angle, bisect this 90 and this 90, and that will give me a point on the circumference that I can use as part of my octagon. So it's going to be like this. So I'm going to just set my compass to a certain radius. It doesn't really matter too much as long as it's wide enough. Make an arc and make an arc. Do the same here for this one. Okay, so make an arc, make an arc. Okay, do the same here for this one. I'm going to bisect this 90-degree angle here. So go to the circumference where it intersects with one of the perpendicular bisectors, make an arc, and do the same here, make an arc. So I've got another point, and the last one, make an arc and make an arc. Okay, so now I have those points. All I have to do is connect them to the middle like this. Okay, and you can see I can take a shortcut. I can actually go from here all the way to the other side. Okay, but these are the points I'm looking for, these points where they hit the circumference. Okay, so I'll do this as well, right through the middle. Okay, and draw that, and again I'm looking for these points. Now I've got those points. All I have to do is join them. So there's 1, here's 2, here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And there I go. I've completed a pretty good looking octagon.